If you are new to my channel, welcome. In this channel we'll be talking about music, food, camping sites, coastal routes, and motorcycle related content. But most of all, a journey that I would love to take you on. In this journey, it's a personal journey that I like to share with you guys. As I mentioned in the first video, this journey is very meaningful to me. My father passed away from cancer, and it's all about the bike that he wanted. He always wanted a Harley type style motorcycle, and I inherited it. And now I have it here at home, and I'm going to be trying to work on it, learn some mechanical stuff, and proceed from there. But I would love to bring you guys on that journey. So in these next few moments, go ahead, feel free to watch this video. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up. You're really going to help this channel out. I'm just keeping positive. With God by my side, you can't go wrong. Why? As they once said on the podium, because God is greater than my right hand. If you're a musician and you ride a motorcycle, we got to discuss some things. So please leave a question or a comment down below. I would love to connect with you. This is going to be a long journey, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you what I have done so far, and then show you the next clips of what I have done or what I've been doing. Okay? Thank you so much. Let's get to it. Alright, please excuse my messy background. So here I removed the drive shaft and the rear wheel, and the battery holder, the fuse box, the part of the wiring harness, and a lot of nuts and bolts that go around on the pegs and all of that. Here's the drive shaft on my messy table. I've been trying to organize it as neatly as I can by putting everything in Ziploc bags and labeling them as best as I can. I have a lot of parts in this box. The air box is underneath there. You saw that's how much I got done. I am going to need a couple of special tools, I guess, to remove the swing arm itself, and then after that we'll go ahead and continue on removing the motor later in another video. So for now, thank you for watching, and let's continue. All right.